Hello, and I hope you're ready for my unboxing of my new HiFi devices. Well, first of all, there's the Sennheiser HD700, the Lehmann Audio Linear D, and the Audioquest Sydney cable. Well, I think I start with the cable. It's an auxiliary to change cable. You see interconnect. It's about 200 bucks. I know this is kind of expensive for cable. Wait a minute. So here we are. This is the cable. Nothing special, just the cable. Well, yes. So here it is. Nice, very nice quality. It's very thick, I think. Very, very thick. Yes. Well, let's put it here. Well. So let's come to the headphones. I really, really love these headphones. I hear so many good things about them. Well, let's unpack them. Here we are. Oh, very, very nice. Wait a minute. So, here we are back. I think this is the wrong. That's much better. So let's open it. Oh yes, there it is. So, first cable, 6.3 millimeters. So let's come to the headphone. Very, very nice. Very, very nice headphone. Yes, manuals in that. I don't want to pack this out now. So let's put it here. By the way, these headphones are about 600 bucks. I think that they will sound amazing. By the way, these are open headphones, so yes, I think they will have a better sound quality. So let's come to the Lehmann Audio headphone amplifier. This thing was really, really expensive, 1,250 bucks. But it should be one of the best headphone amplifiers out there. I look at this headphone amplifier. Very, very nice. So here we are. There it is. I really don't know how to open the package. Ah, here it is. Okay. So first, there's a power cable. Nothing special. I think I will buy another one. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. It's very heavy. So here are the inputs, and I think there are two of these outputs as well. Toslink, coaxial, and DC. So and here are the headphone outputs. Very, very nice. And the volume control, of course. Put this here. Well, there are manuals inside as well. But I think I don't need these. So, yeah, well, that's it for the first time. I will make a review if you want to. And thank you for watching.